Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through this gorgeous 30-inch water wave hair that I got from Yolissa Hair. If you're interested in knowing more about this hair and this look, please keep on watching. So first things first, let's talk about this wig. Now this is a 30-inch lace wig. I believe it's 180 density, but I'll have the correct information in the description box of today's video. It's super full, it's super thick. When I got this hair, I was so astounded. I was like, thank you God, because I've wanted something like this for years. I really do feel like it's like the perfect summer hair. I love it. When it comes to wigs and stuff, I really do like to rock them for a minute before I actually share them on my YouTube channel, recommend it to you guys. But this hair right here, it really is the one. So as you can see, I'm just going in and plucking the hairline of the wig. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did go in and bleach the knots. I actually over bleached the knots, but I rectified it with some mascara later. What I'm doing right here right now is just taking the necessary steps to get the hair to look a little bit natural. So plucking the hairline and creating some faux baby hairs to really make this wig what it needs to be. I feel like when you have a water wave wig, you need a little bit of baby hairs with this wig. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of doing my hair while I've got makeup on, but I feel like there's just a certain je ne sais quoi when you're installing your hair and you got a full beat. So after plucking my hairline and pulling out little sections of hair, now I'm moving forward and just trimming down baby hairs with an eyebrow razor. When I use my Got To Be Blasting Free spray to lay down my wig, I actually use it to also to get my baby hairs in place. I don't know what it is, but just doing this step really just helps get my baby hairs in place. I feel like I don't need to use gel or anything like that. Once I do this, it really just works for me. Once I've done that, I then go in with a little bit of water. I just spray down the front section of my hair and then I go in with a toothbrush, just slicking that hair back into place, also getting the baby hairs into place, scoop up my hair so it's out of the way, and then get my tights to secure everything in place. Now I don't usually use a hairdryer when I'm laying down my frontal, but I've been doing it recently and it just helps. And she came with the same type game, the type of girl giving out the fake cell phone and name. Big fan. So after taking off my tights and just making sure that my frontal is secure, I go in with a bit of bronzer to just conceal the lace that's on my frontal. I'm really trying to get everything to blend in. I'm gonna allow my hair to fall and run my fingers through my hair so we can actually start styling the hair. I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of a center part. Right there, I'm just using a bit of mascara to just conceal those over bleached knots. This hair is so gorgeous. I didn't even need to spray it down. The curls and everything just looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and use a bit of moisture to put on the hair. Now this moisture mixture I actually use on my natural hair. I believe I have 3 different types of conditioning products and some castor oil in there. But I go back in and clean up the part, get it super neat and stuff. Run my fingers through the hair. Oh, so gorgeous. Look how long that hair is. Imagine me doing a ponytail. Stunning. Oh my gosh. So here is a little bit of a close-up. It's not the best. I'm really not a hairstylist. I've tried. Oh, ring the alarm. I've been through this too long, but I'll be damned if I see another chick on your arm. Just to finish everything up, I'm gonna go in and scoop up the babies, add a bit of bronzer in the hairline, just get everything to just blend as much as possible. Now I'm going to go in with some mousse just to define the curls. I believe this mousse is for curly hair. Got To Be Twisted Mousse, I think it's called. Just going to use a bit of that and run that through the hair just to get those curls to pop a little bit more. Oh, so stunning. I actually can't get over how gorgeous this hair is. I seriously can't. Oh my gosh, I cannot cope. Okay, I need to stop, but I genuinely can. Oh, the flip. The flipper. Oh, honey. Guys, did you see that flip, boo-boo? I love this hair so much. I love this hair so I actually love this hair so so much. I think it's so gorgeous, and I feel like it's perfect for, you know, that summertime. Oh, look at that. Look how long that hair is. I wish Carnival was still happening, because I would have wore this wig to Carnival. I feel like it's perfect for the summertime. It falls really nice. But yeah, I'm trying to flip it around and do all I can with this wig. I love this hair. Guys, if you're interested in this hair, I'm going to have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. A big shout out to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. Outside is open now, guys. We need new wigs, and y'all was asking me for wigs. This is the wig. Link will be in the description. I love you guys so much. To the moon and back. I will speak to you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.